Hey there everyone, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of the song When I Was One, which is one of the songs on the YouTube channel of Rob DelGaudio, who is a wonderful elementary music educator and just unbelievable materials that he has for teachers to use. A lot of stuff that he created during the pandemic when he was teaching from home, but just a master educator. Incidentally, he does a lot of ukulele work. He hosts an ukulele group in his area, and he also just recently, this is being recorded in 2023, released an entire recorder method. So if you need a recommendation for a great music educator and you're a music educator, check out Rob DelGaudio, Mr. DelGaudio on YouTube. You will not be disappointed. And incidentally, I do have permission from him to use his audio for the play-alongs. And in this video, I'm just going to go over the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele in 2 keys, and then also baritone ukulele as well. And then I'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work here on this channel, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. So let's begin with the chords you need for soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Moe Myrtle Concert. The first chord you'll need is the F chord, and then you'll need the C7 chord. That's it in the key of F. Now, how about in the key of G? Well, in the key of G, all you need is the G chord and the D7 chord. And those are the 2 chords to play When I Was One in the key of G. Now, what if you are on baritone ukulele? Let's go take a look at that. For baritone ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Tom concert ukulele with Pepe Romero baby baritone strings, so I can tune it DGBE like a baritone. I only created this in 1 key for baritone because the F chord can be so problematic, as well as then switching over to C7 might be really difficult for some players. So I just left this in the key of G. So you've got the G chord and the D7 chord. And those are the 2 chords you need to play When I Was One on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. For strumming, I'm going to do this in the key of G, and ultimately it's just a shuffle strum up and down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's going to work perfectly for the song. It's going to sound like this. Right, and this is the higher key than the original recording. When I was one, I just begun the day I went to sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forward and back, way over the Irish Sea. A bottle of pop to fill my top, that's the life for me. Yeah, it's just that sequence of G, D7, G, G, D7, G over and over again, and just a shuffle strum. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. What if you were on baritone? It would sound very much the same. When I was one, I just begun the day I went to sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forward and back, way over the Irish Sea. A bottle of pop to fill my top, that's the life for me. Works just as well on baritone. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, that's all you need to do. Those chords, that simple strumming pattern to be successful on When I Was One as recorded by Rob DelGaudio. Please support, again, his work on YouTube and elsewhere. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.